This morning, a judge found Leandra Andrade not guilty on multiple charges in connection to the death of her 2-year-old daughter, Lanoix.
Brianna Fallon joins us with details from court. So, Brianna, you spoke with the victim's father about all of this.
I did, and Fabio Andrade says he's beyond devastated with the not guilty verdict this afternoon, but emphasizes he will never stop fighting for his daughter. Fabio Andrade says he sat in court today hoping for a trial that would put his daughter's alleged killer behind bars, but instead he heard multiple not guilty verdicts.
I will not be silent, and I will not stop speaking out until the truth is heard in open court and my daughter's life fully honored.
A Virginia Beach judge ruled Leandra Andrade is not guilty of aggravated murder and child abuse due to insanity. This comes after prosecutors announced 3 mental health experts evaluated Andrade and determined she met the criteria and was not sane at the time of the crime.
It is a failure of accountability. It strips transparency from the process and denies my daughter the most basic protection the justice system promises.
The judge also granted a nolle pros on a second-degree murder charge. The incident happened in 2022. According to Virginia Beach police, officers arrived at an oceanfront hotel for a welfare check. There, investigators found Andrade passed out on the floor and her child, Lanoix, dead on the bed. They also found an empty 24-pack of pink tablets, crushed tablets, a bottle of sleeping aid, and a bottle of vodka.
I think I can honestly say that in over 4 decades of practicing law, it's probably the saddest case that I've ever had. There are no winners on either side of this case.
Defense attorney James Broccoletti says Andrade and her family are pleased with the results today, but still beyond heartbroken over what happened to her daughter.
I don't know if she can come to grips with it yet. She's very, very, very emotional.
Meanwhile, Fabio says he will never stop the fight for his daughter and hopes to speak at Andrade's next hearing.
Justice for Lanoix means accountability, transparency, and ensuring that the person who took her life never sees freedom again.
Andrade's next hearing will be on March 10th to determine if she will be committed to the Department of Behavioral Health. Brianna Fallon, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks so much, Brianna. And according to the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office, experts from both the defense and the prosecution concluded Andrade was legally insane at the time of the offense.